Being able to correctly identify your species is very important for fishing. One of these is legal to keep. One of these is not. One of the main reasons to know your species is to avoid tickets. Another one is to preserve the conservation. These fish are protected as their populations are recovering, so it's important that none are killed accidentally by misidentification. Another reason to properly be able to identify these fish is that there's bycatch mortality quotas. And we need to know how many of these fish are dying so that we can set regulations and seasons so that we keep the mortality of these fish within reasonable limits.
Yep. Yeah, that one's doing good. The best way with the yellow eyes are, you know, look at their eye. Outside of the pupil, it's nice bright yellow. That's where they get their names. And they also have this stripe that runs down, but canaries have a more prominent stripe, but canaries don't have that yellow eye. Got these guys. Drop them down and let them go.
Can you talk about like how you identify that as a canary?
Very simple. Orange, no bizarre reddish, dark orange color, and the eyes aren't yellow in any way, shape, or form. Kind of hard to make out when they're all bulged out like that, but Canary Rockfish. Definite dark red stripes, thus the tiger rockfish. If a guy doesn't pay attention to that, you probably throw it back because it has the same eyes as a canary and the same orange coloring. But this is a tiger rockfish. Lots of high spines, brownish to yellow shading.
So this is the juvenile Yelloweye rockfish. When they're small like this, they'll have white lines basically extending the entire length of their body. When they're smaller, this one will be more distinct, but this one is very solid. So yeah, as they age, these white lines fade and they become the solid red. And they also have white tipped fins when they're small like this. But yeah, the best way still always to identify these is to look at the eye. The solid yellow iris is a dead giveaway that this is a yelloweye rockfish. Okay, so we're gonna try to get this. This fish is not showing external symptoms of barotrauma. The stomach isn't out and the eyes aren't out. But still, it's best practice to send every one of these down because they're very severely depleted populations. We want to make sure that we protect as many as we can.